In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square payment to Wix in 2026. If you want to let customers pay through Square on your Wix website, the process is very straightforward. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can get everything connected without confusion. To begin, go to your site's main Wix dashboard. This is the control center for your website where you manage settings, payments, design, and other important business tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your site, so that's where you'll start for payment setup. After opening Settings, find and click Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you manage the payment providers available for your website. If you're setting up online payments for the first time, this section is especially important because it controls how customers will complete checkout on your site. Once you're inside the Accept Payments section, click See More Payment Options. This will expand the list of available payment providers that can be connected to your Wix store or website. From there, look for the Square option. When you find it, click Connect. If you don't see Square listed, that usually means it isn't currently available in your region through Wix. In that case, the issue is typically based on location availability rather than a problem with your account or website settings. So if the option is missing, that's the reason to keep in mind. If Square is available and you click Connect, Wix will guide you through the connection process. At this stage, you'll need to enter the necessary details to complete the setup. Just follow the prompts carefully and make sure the information you provide matches your Square account details so the connection can be completed properly. Once that information is submitted and approved, your Square payment connection should be set up. That's it. Your Wix site will then be linked with Square, allowing you to move forward with payment setup more smoothly. As a quick tip, after finishing the connection, it's always a good idea to review your payment settings and make sure everything appears active and correctly connected inside Wix. That way you can feel more confident before customers begin using the payment option on your site. And that's how to connect Square payment to Wix in 2026.